Looking good begins with your hands and feet. The Beurer Manicure Pedicure Set won't leave you wanting. User-friendly and easily variable impulses, along with excellent functionality, allow you to experience hand and nail care as you would at a studio. The Sapphire Cone removes dry skin or calluses. The Sapphire Disc files and treats thick nails. The Felt Cone polishes the edges of your nails and cleans the surface. The high-quality attachments included in the optional professional sets complete the experience and can be used on ingrowing nails, dead nail particles, larger calluses on the sole of the foot or heel, and even corns. Top quality hand and foot care with the Beurer Manicure and Pedicure Set.